Alright people, this is Mosha, coming to you from Mosha Reggae Lounge in the Dominican Republic, the first Jamaican restaurant in the island. I came here in 2010 and opened a Jamaican restaurant, and now I am in the heart of Sosua. So this is coming in from Mosha Reggae Lounge. I got two people here from Mississippi.
Hattiesburg, Mississippi.
Hattiesburg, Mississippi. What's your name, brother?
My name is Cedric, brother.
And your beautiful wife?
I'm Veronica.
Veronica in the house. And my brother here, they tried my jerk chicken for the first time. I want you to tell the people how you like the jerk chicken, bro.
Absolutely great. Absolutely great.
As a matter of fact, he has a barbershop down there. What's the name of your barbershop?
Barbershop 1 and 2.
It's called it Barbershop 1 and 2. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go down there. I'm going to do a cooking down there for them. We're going to blow up his spot. Barbershop 1 and 2. Mosha Reggae Lounge. We're going to Mississippi in 2 weeks because I'll be in the States in 2 weeks. And your wife, what's your name, baby?
I'm Veronica.
Veronica, how did you like the jerk?
The jerk was amazing. I had to come all the way to the Caribbean to get authentic jerk.
Yeah, hey guys, you hear that? She hear what she said?
You spend your money up. Come all the way to my guy and get you good jerk.
There you go.
They won't play with it.
There you go. And check this out. I was talking to them and I found out he have a barbershop. I want you guys, you live in Mississippi, North Carolina, wherever you at, go support 1 and 2 down there. I'm going down there to do a cookout. When that time comes, we're going to announce that it's going to be big. From now on, I'll probably be going up to the States every month to cook from this spot. Okay? Boom Shaka Talk, Mosha Reggae Lounge, out.